Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Toyota Camry. We're talking about this generation right here from year 2015, 16 and 17. If you guys have one of those, you need to find where the power seats fuse is located, guys, which fuse you need to check, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that, guys, will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, engines, transmission. We show you how to do practically almost anything, guys. We even do body works. We have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now, on Toyota Camry, guys, if you have that generation, we'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Why we do all that? Due to the fact that if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located because your car cannot start. You can just watch that video, 1-2 minutes, you replace that fuse, that relay, you're back on the road and you're back in business, guys, because otherwise, if you don't have your service manual, it could be really complicated. Sometimes it's hard to find. There is abbreviations that most people do not know, so we try to make it really convenient for you. Another thing, guys, if you need to buy parts, tools, fuses, relays, okay, you see that you have all these different kinds of fuses, guys, okay? You have different kinds of relays. You have these special fuses, by the way, that look like this one here. Check this thing out. We will put the links in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time. So let's start on it now. So the power seats fuses, guys, okay, where you can expect to find that fuse? We will demonstrate on this 2017 Toyota Camry. You guys have two different fuse boxes in this car and they will work in just one that's on the driver's side. Go ahead, open the driver door. You will be on the left side. Look where the arrow is pointing, under the dash, above the pedals. Look upside down on the left side. You will see one white cover. Open it. Right underneath it, you will see a fuse box layout that will look just like this one right here. But before we continue, guys, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So what we guys have here now for the power seats, which fuse you will need to check, guys. Now, never assume anything about fuse numbers because that's fuse number 1, 2, 3, 4, then it's 38 and 5, 6, so forth. This is 13, 39, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, so makes no sense. But the fuse that you will need to check, guys, for power seats will be known as fuse number 27. We're talking about this 30 amp fuse that you see, guys, right here. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.